Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to solve another task of 100 days of AWS series by KodeKloud engineer. So in this task we need to enable the stop protection for the instance. So before enabling the stop protection, we need to understand what is the enabling protection of EC2 instance. So this is a feature of AWS EC2 which prevents EC2 instances being stopped accidentally. So it is helpful in production servers. So let's do this task. Log into AWS console via credentials and then go to EC2 dashboard and click on instances, and this is the instance which is running. We need to enable the stop protection. So select this instance and click on actions, instance actions, and in this click on instance setting